I have one property here at Bermuda Hills Subdivision. Isang lote dyan. So, it will follow yung stretch ng curve ng road. Itong road na to, mayroong pang pababa dyan. So, this one is the property. 222 square meter lot. Titled at 28K per square meter net. Mataas na po dito. And then, this is the townhouse I'm selling. They have a parking lot here, one car park. But you can utilize this one as another car park. So, let's count the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4 floors. Meron siyang barbecue area or sampayan area dun sa taas. Yan. So, don't worry about if it's a duplex thing kasi ano siya, double wall naman siya dyan. Double wall siya dyan. Ayan, double wall siya dyan. 79 square meter to. Wag mong maliliitin ang 79 square meter. Kasi malaki yan, maluwag yan. So, let's get inside. Hay! Hay! Maluwag po siya, maluwag po siya. Centralize ang heat dito. Ayan yung restroom. Centralize yung heater nila. So, yung faucet is heated na rin. Ayan, may back area sila. Small storage area. Okay, let's go up. So, bawat kwarto dito ay may sariling room. May sariling room. May sariling restroom. This one is going to the 3rd floor. Ayan, may sariling CR din ito. May balcony siya. Andun yung mga dogs. 3. 3rd bedroom. 4th bedroom. Ng very maluwag. Palagyan mo lang ng mga closet. Ay, yung isa may closet. Ito wala. With own restroom. And this will be your view. Kita mo yung mga kakaibang design ng bahay doon. Iglo houses doon sa taas. And there. At least meron kang green view. This is the most exciting part. Wherein may view ka dito. Ayan. In open area. Open layout lang niya itong 4th floor. Pero kung negosyante ka, edi pagawan mo na lang ng room dito. Ayan. See? Yung mga gusto ng Baguio feels, yung gustong nakakita ng pine tree. I have another lote for sale dyan sa pine tree na yan. Ano mo yun? Harap niya may mga sasakyan. 200 plus din yung lote dyan. So, okay. That's the view. Ito yung lote na binibenta natin. 222 square meter. Ayan. Ayan. So, good for transient and residential to. Malapit lang ito doon sa main road. Tapos doon naman yung Kuyisan. Ayun o yung karatula niya. Bermuda Hills. Ayan. So, huli na kayo. Mag-tripping na tayo dito.